Hi guys, it's Michael with you. You have opened a video about the top 5 best projects in the field of cryptocurrencies and NFT meta-universe. After watching this video, you will start to understand the intricacies of choosing cryptocurrencies and NFTs to invest in. Watch this video to the end to find out which asset is worth investing in right now. Cryptocurrency projects. How they are organized and how you can invest in them. Cryptocurrency projects are a collective term of all the tokens that are used in cryptocurrency platforms. Depending on the blockchain, they can act as money, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, as well as tokens like gas and other, which pay for transactions in blocks that someone else has mined. Coin acquisition. Each project is unique in its own way and solves some problems such as preserving the anonymity of the buyer or high performance, which allows processing more transactions every second. However, there is another side of tokens. There are meme coins which do not solve any problem but are promoted thanks to some character and people's belief in its growth. Each of these coins you can buy, and the one that turns out to be better, more useful, more used, or simply has an audience interested in it will have the potential to increase its value, which you will capitalize on. Sam Bankman-Fried, the cryptocurrency billionaire, is only 29 years old. After Bitcoin quotes went down sharply in May 2021, Sam's personal fortune was $11.5 billion. Experts predicted that it reached 16 billion after the Bitcoin exchange rate soared in November. Max Keiser began his investment career back in the 80s with a position of a stockbroker in a New York investment bank. The experience of working on Wall Street turned Max into an outspoken critic of the financial system that exists today. Back in the 90s, he believed that the best asset to invest in were gold and silver, and in 2011, when he first heard about Bitcoin, he realized that in front of him was nothing but digital gold. Keiser started buying up Bitcoin back when they were only worth $1. In 2013, the American investor called himself a Bitcoin millionaire in an interview. Now, given the current value of the cryptocurrency and the continuing investment activities of the businessman, experts estimate his personal fortune at $1 billion. Tim Trapper. Tim is a member of one of Silicon Valley's oldest investment destinies. Back in 1985, he co-founded Draft Fisher Juristone, a venture capital firm that has invested in dozens of startups from the now defunct Theranos to Tesla. He holds a bachelor's and master's degree from 2 Ivy League universities. According to Draper himself, in 2014, he bought back 29.5K bitcoins confiscated by US Marshals on the illegal Silk Road black market. Each coin cost the investor $632, meaning that he paid a total of $18.7 million for the cryptocurrency assets. Today, their value exceeds the 1 billion mark. Mining. As Ethereum, Bitcoin, other coins you can mine and such a way to earn money for mining blocks. To do this, you will need a cryptocurrency farm consisting of equipment for computing, power supply, cooling system, cables and razors, and as a PC to manage mining. Prices for equipment start from $100 to tens of thousands respectively, and the income from more expensive models is higher. American Nick Sears started his journey in the crypto industry by helping to assemble a mining farm in Dallasport, Washington, when he was 17 years old. He has been professionally maintaining mining farms ever since. Nick's main specialty is checking the operation of the equipment and repairing it. Now Nick is 19 years old and works on a 10 MW Skate Ventures mining farm with 4.5K ASIC miners. Nick not only works but also lives on this farm in a separate room with soundproofing. Sears works every day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. His main job responsibility is to ensure that every mining device is running smoothly 24/7. In addition, he checks the equipment every day. Nick studies the mechanism of operation of miners, ways to repair them. The story of the teenager told CNBC. It is reported that Nick earns $54K a year. NFT meta-universe. How is it organized and how you can invest in the work? An NFT, or non-replaceable token, is a digital object that signifies that a unique item is stored on the internet. It can be in the format of a photo, video, or audio file. Features of NFT that you cannot find in usual tokens. First, uniqueness. Each token has an individual characteristic, which is prescribed in its code. One NFT cannot be exchanged for another. Second, liquidity. NFT can be easily and quickly bought and sold through special platforms and marketplaces. Third, transparency. Since all NFT transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the history of the object can be tracked. 4. Compatibility. NFT can be moved between different applications, platforms, and games. You can earn from NFTs as an author or as a buyer. The author earns from the sales of his NFT work, while the buyer profits from the difference of the sold NFT. In order to become an author, you need to put a lot of effort in developing NFTs, studying the conditions of publication on marketplaces of your work, have capital to start sales, as well as understanding that they may not be at all, because they are thousands of competitors on the market, many of whom have no sales. For the buyers, things are much simpler, however not quite. To choose an NFT with potential growth, you have to observe a lot of information regarding the digital object and only then make the decision to buy. And here's a fascinating story about 14-year-old author. 25-year-old Adam works as a trader, and his 14-year-old sister, Abigail, has a passion for animals and loves creativity. Since she was a kid, he's been telling her about cryptocurrency and then the concept of NFT. At first, the girl treated it with disbelief. She called it a hoax and thought that tokens were not different from ordinary JPEG images. However, her brother continued to talk about the technology, and in September 2021, they decided to create their own NFT project, BAYC. First, Abigail came up with and drew a character, a cute beluga whale. She had fallen in love with these animals ever since she once saw one at the Georgia Aquarium. She then separately created 167 pieces of jewelry such as eyeglasses, caps, and fur coats. The artist did most of her drawing on an iPhone 8. 6 days later, minimum price of the white whale on the resale market was 0.27 sol, about $54, and the trading volume reached almost $1.5 million. Just imagine how much the girl earned at the age of 14. What do you think it is more important to invest in now, and what is better to not invest in? And what do you invest in and why? Be sure to write about it in the comments and read the posts of others to avoid risks and follow the right trading strategy. The Gods is a digital art collection and a global community of creators, developers, entrepreneurs, athletes, artists, experimenters, and innovators. Created on the Solana blockchain by a person whose real identity is unknown, named Frank. He's rumored to be 17 years old. Frank is now considered the #1 influencer among the NFT community on Solana. He has over 127k people subscribed to his Twitter page. His NFT is one of the top 5 best-selling pieces on the CoinMarketCap platform. The Graph is a decentralized protocol that is designed for Web3 indexing and querying. The Graph analyzes and collects blockchain data and then stores it in various indexes called subgraphs. This allows any application to send a query to the appropriate protocol and receive an immediate response. To ensure the integrity of data stored in the Graph network, the project's own cryptocurrency, GRT, is used. GRT is based on artificial intelligence and is the largest token by capitalization from the AI and big data category, according to CoinMarketCap. GRT's maximum price was set at $2.88 on February 12, 2021. From January 1st, 2023 to February 7, 2023, the token has shown plus 332% growth. TREMP and Boden are new meme coins created in the storage of US Presidents Donald Trump and Joe Biden. The tokens have already made a few X's, but many investors foreshadow them outperforming coins like Doge, Shiba, and Pepe in price. Bored Ape Yacht Club is a collection of 10k NFT monkeys. All of the bored monkeys have unique characteristics. For example, monkeys with gold hair are rarer and more expensive than the others. Notably, the first monkeys could be bought for 0.2 Ethereum, it's $600. Since then, the total sales volume of this club on OpenSea has exceeded $1 billion. These are the most popular markets you have seen. And believe me, just by getting hold of one of them, you can multiply your capital in the future. Solana is an integrated open source blockchain designed to synchronize global information at the speed of light. This network enables fast transaction processing and high throughput, facilitating mass adoption of blockchain technology. Solana reduces latency and optimizes throughput. This is what has attracted users. The coin has grown over 100% recently, and the Edge project that has the most growth prospects I've already published to my closed channel for free. If you don't want to experience FOMO and you are tired of investing in unprofitable deals, then I'm gladly waiting for you in my Telegram channel, where we discuss trends and help beginners to earn their first capital without liquidations. The link to the Telegram channel is available in the description below this video, guys. Save the list of the projects to yourself to write later in the comments, guys, whether I was right or wrong. And also do not forget that the most promising project is in my Telegram channel, free. Access link in the video description. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, share this video with a friend, and goodbye till the next video. Bye.